The natural way to problem-free skin. Struggling to find the right skincare for dry, irritated skin? Do you find most of the skincare treatments loaded with chemicals too harsh for your skin? Look no more. Put your faith in the gentle, deep cleansing care of the African Black Soap Facial Care Kit from SheaMoisture. Made from natural and certified organic ingredients, this face and skin care kit is gentle even on sensitive skin. What you get: SheaMoisture African Black Soap Facial Wash and Scrub. Wash of the daily dirt and grime with the gentle cleansing action of African Black Soap. This all-natural face and skin cleanser exfoliates your skin, reduces the size of pores and leave you with even-toned and glowing skin. SheaMoisture African Black Soap Problem Skin Facial Mask. Problem skin requires delicate handling and gentle care. The all-natural African Black Soap present in this facial mask from SheaMoisture draws out skin impurities and detoxifies irritated skin to make it soft and supple. SheaMoisture African Black Soap Problem Skin Mositurizer. This lightweight moisturizer formulated using certified organic and natural products from the house of SheaMoisture. Get soft, supple, glowing skin with every use of this gentle moisturizer. SheaMoisture African Black Soap Acne-prone face and body bar. Treat your skin to this all-natural solution to controlling acne outbreaks. African Black Soap is a gentle cleanser which cleans impurities and toxins to refresh your skin. It reduces dark spots to leave you with smooth, even-toned skin with every wash. Promise of SheaMoisture: safe and uncompromising beauty. We are natural, organic, sustainably produced goodness. Pioneering fair trade through community commerce at home and abroad. We strive to be sulfate-free, paraben-free, and more, whenever possible. Tested on our family for 4 generations. Never on animals. Control breakouts and detoxify skin. African Black Soap Facial Wash and Scrub gently exfoliates and cleanses skin, absorbs excess oil, controls breakouts, reduces blemishes, reveals fresher, younger skin. Safe, gentle, and all-natural. African Black Soap Facial Care Kit is made from certified organic and natural ingredients, making these products safe even for sensitive skin. Hydrates and nourishes skin. SheaMoisture African Black Soap Moisturizer hydrates and nourishes skin, balances skin oils, reduces blemishes to give your skin a Shin-Free, glowing finish, draws out skin impurities and reduces acne. Problem Skin Facial Mask cleanses skin of impurities and addresses problems associated with acne. Soothes and calms skin, face and body bar. Cleanses, hydrates and calms irritated skin, clears blemishes, evens out skin tone. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.